Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to our channel and welcome to another video where in today's one we're taking a look at the Whop website. I'll explain to you guys how can you add team members or moderators on your store, Whop store. So let's jump right into it. So first of all, you'll open up Whop on your web browser, log in with your preferred profile, and then head on to the dashboard of your Whop. From the left-hand side menu, you will scroll down all the way until you see the general settings and click on the theme. So it's right here above the API keys. Down here, you'll see the team members and what their role is. Right now, I'm the owner, but I could be a moderator if I wanted to. Now, to add someone, you will click on Invite Team Members on the right-hand side. Select their email, give them a moderator role, and invite them. They will get a link through their email to be invited to your WAPS team. And once they accept it, you'll see it in this list right here. Now you'll be able, as a owner, to change their roles, of course. For the moderator, simply select this one and you'll be good to go. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, leave it a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.